Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're bringing the incredible flavor of Santa Maria style tri-tip right into your kitchen using a simple oven method. This beloved cut of beef, known for its rich taste and satisfying texture, doesn't always need a grill to shine. We'll show you how to achieve a perfectly tender and juicy roast every time, making it an easy and delicious meal for your family and friends. The heart of Santa Maria style cooking is its iconic rub, incredibly simple but bursting with flavor. You'll want to combine plenty of coarse salt, freshly cracked black pepper, garlic powder, and a hint of onion powder or paprika. Rub this mixture generously all over your tri-tip, making sure to coat every surface. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes at room temperature, or even longer in the refrigerator, to really let those flavors soak in. Once seasoned, it's time for the oven. Start with a quick high-heat sear, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes. This creates a beautiful, flavorful crust on the outside. Then, reduce your oven temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting until the internal temperature reaches your desired doneness, typically around 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a lovely medium rare. The most critical step after cooking is letting your tri-tip rest. Transfer it to a cutting board, tent it loosely with foil, and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to settle back into the meat, ensuring every slice is incredibly moist and tender. When it's time to slice, remember tri-tip has two different grain directions. Be sure to slice against both for the most tender bites. Now for the best part, serving. Your oven-roasted Santa Maria tri-tip is ready to be enjoyed. It pairs beautifully with classic sides like grilled corn on the cob or a hearty serving of pinquito beans. A fresh, zesty salsa or a simple chimichurri can also add a bright contrast to the rich beef. Enjoy every tender, flavorful bite of this wonderful dish you've created right in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.